Hi, I'm Nick Kellick and I'm the CEO and founder of ShareLord. First up, congratulations in regards to becoming a ShareLord investor. And what you're going to soon find out is ShareLord is the most powerful cash flow strategy on the planet. Now, first up, what you're going to get with your education is this: the entire home study kit, which includes all the manuals, the DVDs, and a MP3 player. The education has been simplified. All the testosterone, all the hieroglyphics has been removed. It's very simple and easy to understand. We've gone to great lengths to really chunk down the information so you can easily embrace it. Next up, we have the actual online platform. This online platform has all the tutorials, all the videos online. So every time we upload a new video, we'll upload it absolutely free and you can access this from anywhere in the world. So you'll be actually allocated a username and password in regards to this, okay? So that's your online platform. On top of this, we have the US Trading Diary. Now the Trading Diary is emailed to you on a daily basis. That is every trading day. One recommendation in regards to which stocks of that particular day met the actual criteria of a ShareLord. And what we actually do is we provide you the actual stock price, the actual rental price in regards to what option premium is actually being paid out by the option buyers at that given point. Also, we give you the insurance spread in regards to how much an insurance policy, that is a put option, will actually cost you in regards to insuring and providing capital protection for your stock. So that's a US Trading Diary, and that gets delivered to your inbox every trading day. Next, we also have the mentoring support. Now, our mentoring support team is very, very unique and very, very empowering. The reason being is, for every 24-hour weekday, we have 22.5 hours of that day covered. That is, you can hop on and actually speak to one of our mentors. Now, we have mentors located across the globe and they cover most of the time zones. And our mentoring team, their main objective is this: to ensure that you get started, to ensure that you understand the education, and to ensure that you become a successful ShareLord client. And as a bonus, we're including the following. As you come on board as a ShareLord, we're going to give your spouse or partner their own username and password to the online platform, which means we want to educate them too. And next up, we have another bonus: the one-day workshops. These are one-day ShareLord boot camps, and you can attend as many as you want in any capital city. And it's a great way to orientate yourself in regards to the ShareLord process and also meet other ShareLords in your capital city too. And once again, congratulations and welcome to the ShareLord family. And understand this: ShareLord is the most powerful, the most comprehensive, and the most pivotal education right now in regards to the stock market. So I'm Nick Kellick, welcome to the ShareLord family, and I'll see you very, very soon.